Nice one. Well done. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, you're done.
So the turnout is very good, and also we anticipate for more such of the events because they are development sporting activities that are helping us to nurture the talents of the young kids. And also for us, Pepsa Kenya, we do many events like soccer, swimming.
Yao is very, very, very bright. They are very committed, especially those who are coming from a young age. They are building their future in athletics, especially when they train and they come for these events.